Hello and welcome to my home. Today I'm going to show you how to make a raspberry peanut bread in your bread machine. We're going to let the bread machine do all the work. It's going to be so delicious. But before we get to that recipe, I want to let you know that I do have other cooking videos on my channel. I do product reviews. I also have tips on container gardening, and in the containers I'm showing you how to grow fresh vegetables. Yes, all types of vegetables. So check out those videos when you get a chance. I also have meditation videos, and if I haven't said it already, I do product reviews. Well, let's go ahead and make that bread. Here's my trusty bread maker. I'm gonna start adding the ingredients. And here I have 3/4 cups of buttermilk and 5 tablespoons of cold water, 4 tablespoons of smooth peanut butter, and I'm going to try to get this around in the 4 corners of my bread machine. Put some over there, put some over here in that corner. I got another big bunch of peanut butter to get out of here, and I'm going to put this over in the last corner. So I try to put it a little bit in every corner. And that little bit's for me. 2½ cups of bread flour. I'm going to try not to make a mess, but that didn't work out. I made a mess, but that's okay. That happens when you're cooking. I have 1/2 cup of whole wheat flour. I have my raspberry preserves. You see the seeds in there, and that's going to give a nice little crunch to the bread as well. Don't worry, I'm going to post all the ingredients down in the description. A 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and I'm going to spread this around the outer edges. And I'm doing that because when I put the yeast in, I don't want it to come in contact with the yeast yet. Yeast does not like salt directly, but it loves sugar, so that jam. And now I'm going to put the fresh raspberries. They were rinsed in here. Now I'm going to put 2 1/4 teaspoons of instant yeast. Okay, for this bread I'm going to select the whole wheat cycle, even though we use mostly white bread, because this bread, because of the ingredients, is going to need a little longer to cook. And if you notice on your bread machine, your white bread takes less time to cook than your whole wheat bread. So on my machine, the whole wheat is a setting number 3. I'm going to go ahead and hit start. You can hear it. I don't know if you can see it turning around in there. It's turning, turning, turning. Okay, I'll be back when it's all done. Here she is, all nice and done. Look at that beautiful crust. So delicious looking. I'm going to slice into it and let you see how here it is sliced. You can see by the way that I'm pressing on it that it's nice and soft and moist. I can smell that peanut butter in there. The raspberry, especially the raspberry seeds, are going to be throughout the bread to give you a little crunch when you bite into it. You could toast this bread or just slice it as it is, a little butter or a little cream cheese, a little jam, why not? It's so tasty. Serve it to all your family and friends and to yourself. Well, that's it for now. Bye-bye.